So in winters, if you were to use soap daily on your skin will become very dry. So soap should be used only occasionally, especially in winters. What you can do instead is to blend together rice, any rice of choice, almonds, ideally organic ingredients, organic almonds, and chia seeds. You mix, you take all of them. Rice, you can take about 2 tablespoons. Almonds, you can take 8 to 10, and 1 spoonful of chia seeds. You put them all in a blender, and then you can activate them with a hydrosol and glycerine or any other liquid of choice, and use this to cleanse your body instead. So I'm taking the first ingredient. This is rice, and then almonds and chia seeds. Chia seeds are full of omega-3, and they're very good to keep your skin wrinkle free in the winter season, where our skin tends to become very dry and full of wrinkles. So with chia seeds, it can plump back again. So you can use them in your face packs, in your body Ubtans. So there are many hydrosols, and you can use any one of them. The most common is rose water. But if you're using something specifically for anti-aging or for very dry skin, mature skin, then Lang Lang hydrosol is a very good choice. And this is what I like to use in my face packs and my body Ubtans, my body scrubs. So you have to add enough to make a paste. So roughly about 2 tablespoons. You can always add less or more. And I'm adding a bit of glycerine as well to this blend, because glycerine is a humectant and it locks the moisture in. So a spoonful of this as well. And now we make a paste of this, and we use this to scrub and cleanse our body. So this is the final product. So this product is an excellent exfoliant, and it is also a humectant because of the addition of glycerine in it. And due to almonds and chia seeds, there are exfoliants in this scrub, and when you scrub it all over your body, you actually don't require any soap. This is good enough to take care of cleansing your body very thoroughly. Use this daily and see how the skin texture improves over time.